When heavy-duty pickup truck capabilities are demanded, the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 delivers the perfect combination of power, poise, and striking good looks.
Chevrolet clearly prioritized maximum utility in assembling the Silverado 2500, allowing regular, extended, and crew cabs to be combined with the 8-foot-long pickup box if desired. 16 or 17-inch wheels provide a firm footprint and are treated to polished or bright machined aluminum finish. Up front, Chevy's signature grille resonates boldly between stacked headlamps.
Once inside, you'll appreciate the ease of movement afforded by the large cabin spaces. The rear seats flip up and fold to expose ample cargo room, and the fronts may be trimmed in optional leather. Large instruments and switchgear facilitate user-friendly engagement, especially when listening to the premium Bose audio system. Touchscreen navigation is even offered, as is a new rear-view camera.
A gasoline-powered V8 engine is bolted beneath the hood as standard, developing a stout 360 horsepower. The optional Duramax diesel pushes performance to the extreme, pumping out 365 horsepower and a supersized 660 foot-pounds of torque. Towing capacity reaches an impressive 13,000 pounds.
The 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 tackles tough endeavors with rock-solid ambition, merging huge capability with top